drop it. See, dirty. Again!
Hey everybody, my name is Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to the channel. I am showing this broken glass here because we actually spent a Sunday, a fun Sunday, actually out in the beach, and it was a break glass day for some reason. So other people with the Dodge Ram with surfboards unfortunately backed into the truck, broke the glass, took care of it. That's a different story you could check out. Anyhow, I noticed on my phone that the lens was cracked, and I was like, oh, what on earth is going on? Because now I got two things broken. So I did a review on 4 different cases, and I picked the Spigen case. It was a comfortable case, but obviously I've dropped it many times over, and I guess this time I dropped it or somehow cracked it, and I went through my insurance, got a new phone. I'm hoping to reduce the likelihood of cracking that lens again, so I decided on to get a lens protector through Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And I have my older son Jesse helping me out. So he opened up the number 1 packet, which is an alcohol packet to help clean off the fingerprints. And then number 2 is a drying cloth that you can see he used here. Next thing was we grabbed this little sticker to grab all the dust particles. So you just want to do that. Now here's the challenging part. The protector is stuck on that black plastic film, and we had a little bit of trouble trying to figure out how to get it off. The little picture said, just peel it off or something, and maybe because I was afraid to crack it or something, I didn't do it. I finally got it off, and then I used the other stickers to help use or I call them positioning stickers, I believe. The plastic film on top made it a little bit challenging to line up the glass, but I did it on the first part. But as you can see here, I think I might have gotten a fingerprint underneath or something like that. But I tried to clean it as much as I could. I still have 2. It's a 3-pack, so I could do it again, or when this thing cracks, I'm sure it's going to give away. But we'll see from that. And you can see it's not too much of a thickness. If it's enough to prevent it from cracking, hey, I'm all for it. And I'm just testing out the pictures here because I've been reading some feedback that the lens quality might be a little bit weak or blurry. So I wanted to see if it was clear or not on all 3 lenses. So when you're doing wide angle, regular, or zoom, there's 4 lenses on here. So I wanted to see if they all work, and they seem to appear to work. So that's about it. I'm hoping it's going to work well. Sure beats not having anything. So I want to say thanks for coming to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And peace out, guys. Thank you.
And not drop it.